watching Behind the Scenes with Just in Time Automotive. Today we're going to be doing an EPR service provided by BG. As you guys know, we do a ton of BG services here at Just in Time. We stand behind their products just as much as they stand behind their own. We're going to do a walkthrough on the simplicity of the EPR service, which stands for Engine Performance Restoration, and why it benefits you and your vehicle. Alright, so in layman's terms, this cleaner is going to go in your existing engine oil. We're going to idle the engine up for 10 to 12 minutes. This is going to go through all of the oil galleys, tiny little passages. It's going to help reduce carbon buildup. It's going to prevent sludge buildup. It's basically going to flush all of the little micro contamination out of the engine. It's going to help restore compression over time. It's going to help with fuel efficiency. Not only are we going to put this in the engine oil and then flush all that out, we're also going to put a can of BG 44K in the fuel tank, and that's going to help clean your injection, all of your fuel injection system, and hopefully get you the best fuel economy and overall drivability. Alright, just take your oil fill cap off, plunge your EPR into your crankcase. Now we're going to take a clean funnel, then you just pour the 44K into your gas tank. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Now, I'm just going to back it outside and do the 10 minutes at 1200 RPMs, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so I can't emphasize enough about how awesome this EPR service is. We've just done our 10 minutes at 1200 RPMs. Get this oil nice and hot. Get this solvent pushed through it so to get it all cleaned out. Now we're going to lift the vehicle up, drain the oil, and I just wanted to reiterate, we've had a great amount of success with this service. We've had clients come back and tell us that they've seen 2, 3, 4 miles per gallon increase. We've had a lot of feedback with the overall stability of the engine. It idles smoother. It feels like it's got more power. Everything is just harmonized. It's just a really solid service for around $100. I mean, it's freaking amazing. So, you know, I'll walk you through the rest of it, and call us. All right, now it's time to finish this oil change. We start by adding our can of MOA. Always replace your oil filter. Now this is Motul oil, we just have it in bulk. So then you put your oil in. You want to subtract the amount of oil that you would have used in the place of the MOA, which is 11 ounces. So, you know, just a little bit shy of what the standard spec is for your oil, for your crankcase. So now I'm going to start it, check my oil level, and that's a wrap. We have successfully performed our BG EPR service, Engine Performance Restoration, here at Just in Time on our 2021 Crosstrek named Tweety. Hey, thanks for watching Behind the Scenes with Just in Time. I encourage you guys to start doing EPRs on your engine today.